Hey guys, today let's try to share the NGL link or not gonna lie link on your Facebook stories. So if you guys are fond of using the NGL application and you want to go ahead and share it on your Facebook story, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to basically post this on your story, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and firstly download again the NGL application. Once this is done, go ahead and log on as well to your preferred accounts. Basically, once we're already on our preferred accounts, what we can actually do next is to proceed with tapping on this share button to share this link onto our story. Now, as you would notice, it actually shows us a guide on how we could actually show this on our story. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick by firstly copying the link. So once the link is already copied, let's hop on over to our Facebook application and then tap on create story. Now this is going to show us the option to create a story, and I want you to choose the text option. Now from here, I want you to also choose the option if it is also available for us to post it with a specific link to that text. So I'm going to go ahead and basically use this photo for an example. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the stickers option. Alright, so as I was talking about a while ago, what we actually need to do and locate is the option for us to post a link. So if it's not located on your stickers option on your Facebook account, just tap on the see more and then tap on links for us to actually paste a link on here. So I'm going to tap on paste. Now let's try to go ahead and copy that link once more and then paste it over here. Tap on add, and then the link is going to be added, of course, on, well, your story. And then once you tap on share, you could easily go ahead and do that. It's that easy, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.